welcome back to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Christina. I do different unboxings throughout the month, so I'd love to have you hit that subscribe button and join my little YouTube family. For those of you coming back, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate all of your support, as always. I know I say that every time, but really, I do this for you guys, so I do appreciate it. So I'm here with, probably my favorite box of the month, and I know it's a lot of your guys' favorite video as well. It is my Stitch Fix for the month of February. I did recently get an email from Stitch Fix offering me the Style Pass. For those of you unfamiliar with Stitch Fix, it's normally $20 a month. If you have never used Stitch Fix and you sign up using my link or anybody else's link, I'm pretty sure they're still offering your first box with a waived styling fee. So now's a great time to try it if you haven't, because you can try it completely risk-free. But what the Style Pass is you pay a one-time $49 fee, and that covers you for a whole year. So I won't have to pay the $20 styling fee each time. I pay that $49 one time, and I can get as many fixes as I want, which is pretty cool because I can, get really, adventurous and try a lot of new things, and I don't have to worry about, not liking anything or wanting to keep things just so I don't lose a styling fee, because I can send everything back and I'm not out anything. So that's pretty cool. Also, that $49 does get credited to my box, so I can use it towards this stuff or towards anything, towards if I keep anything from here I can use it, or if I have anything left over I can use it in a future one. But let's just get into the clothing. I did do this in the same format that I did my trunk club. I've tried everything on, so I'm just going to give you kind of instead of my first impressions, I'm going to give you my feelings about the clothes and, go from there. If you do like this, let me know, and, I'll keep doing it. So first were these shoes. All their shoes come in this cute, duster bag. I didn't ask for anything in this fix. I said, surprise me, because I don't have anything necessarily specific that I need stuff for. I just said that, it's starting to heat up in Phoenix, that spring comes early here, so I wanted some cute spring pieces, and just surprise me. So first are these shoes by Report. They're these flats. They zip up right here, and they've got this lace up detail on the front. I think they're really cute. I love the color. They fit really well. I'm just not really a fan of this pointed toe situation. I wear a size 9 in shoes, so my feet are kind of big as it is, and I feel like pointed toes just make them look bigger than they already are. So I probably will not keep these, just even though they are cute, just because I don't want to feel like I've got clown feet going on, and pointed toe shoes kind of make me feel that way. So that's probably a no. Next is this dress by French Gray. It's just this cute, cinched in waist dress, blue and white stripe, really nice, lightweight. I have another dress by French Gray that was in a few videos back, I think September, October, or October, November-ish. And it was really cute, and I love that dress. But that one's more like a knit material, and this is kind of more like a silky material, if that makes any sense. It's not doesn't feel cotton knit like the other one does. And I just didn't necessarily like the way this one fit. I think if it was a little bit lower cut, I'd like it a little bit more, because I do kind of like to show off the girls a little bit. Also, I'm not really a fan of the blue and white stripes. I just don't think it necessarily did anything for me. So it was cute, it was just kind of meh in my mind. So that I'm not in love with. Next comes to the contemplation part of this box. It's this plaid shirt by Tinsel. I love plaid. I love plaid. My stylist knows I love plaid. So it is this plaid shirt with the roll sleeve. It's kind of like a purple and pink, really light pink and white plaid. I think it's super cute. As always, I have sort of an issue with plaid shirts because I am bigger chested. Getting them to fit is kind of a little bit of a difficulty for me. This one was a little bit snug on the shoulders, but it wasn't too bad. It wasn't uncomfortably so. And it did pull a little bit across the chest, but I could always unbutton it one more, and that, you know, eliminates that, you know, pulling. But even it didn't pull too bad across the chest. But I could unbutton it, put like a tank top under it, or just, you know, have it be a little bit more low cut. I'm not opposed to either option. So this is a possibility that I'm still considering. Next, it's inside out, is this cami tank top that I love. I love this shirt. It's by American Eagle. American Eagle? Yeah, I had it pinned on my Pinterest, so I was super excited to see it in this box. It's this dark gray cami, and it's got this fun like detail in the front, and then the back has this fun like bar detail. I really like this cami. I think it's really cute. I think it's really comfortable. I am considering sizing up just to compare to see which size I like better, and then keep whichever size I like better, just because it is, I would like it to be a little bit looser, but it's not bad the way that it is. Plus, I'm not ashamed to like show my bra strap, so I would totally wear this with a black bra like I did in the try on and be totally fine with it. Like, I don't care. I'm not ashamed. Just because I hate strapless bras. Like, I hate them. Maybe like a cute like lacy bralette or something might be cute too if I could actually find one that holds me up the way it should. But I like it. It's just it's like a thick material, so it's really comfortable. It's kind of got like a double lining in the chest area, which is nice. And yeah, I love this cami. So it's definitely staying. I just don't know which size I'm going to keep when I do the exchange. All right, last but not least, this romper. So if you watch my trunk club, I got a jumpsuit that I still haven't sent my trunk club back. So I haven't decided what I'm going to keep. I got an extension on that. I said, you know, jumpsuits don't really fit me. Rompers don't really fit me. And then that jumpsuit actually fit me, and I was like, oh, well, maybe, I don't know. So then my stylist says, hey, we've never sent you a romper. I'm going to send you a romper. And it looks like this. And it is gorgeous. So it's this dark blue with this like embroidery on the front. It's a 3/4 sleeve, kind of flares out a little bit. It's got the embroidery on the sleeve, but then it's plain on the back. This thing is so darn cute. I really like it. I'm also going to size up in it to kind of compare sizes just because it's a little short. Like, it fits okay, it's just a little short. So I just want to like try the extra large to see if it's any longer, but still fits okay. But then if not, then I will keep this. I'm like, I don't care with it being short. I just think it would look so cute with some nude heels or with some flats. It actually fits really well. I think it's flattering. It's just so darn cute, and I was surprised because I've always been super anti-romper and jumpsuits because I just don't think they're made for my body. But this one actually, I think, is pretty darn cute. So I might have to start giving some rompers, you know, a try. The only thing that like throws me off about rompers is that I hope that I'm never like wearing it in public and I have to use the bathroom, because the whole idea of like basically getting naked to go to the bathroom isn't all that appealing. But I would do it for this thing because I think it's super cute. Yeah, and it's really lightweight. It would be great for summer or spring or a night out with some sexy heels. I don't know. I just love it. But you guys let me know what you think. Those are my 5 pieces. I'm not keeping everything this time for sure, just because I'm not in love with the shoes and I'm not in love with that other dress. But I'm definitely contemplating the romper and then the 2 shirts. So you guys let me know. Let me get my price sheet because I forgot to grab it. So my stylist is still Brittany, and she's amazing, and she's having a baby, and so if she leaves, you know, when she has her baby, I'm gonna be so sad about it. But, you know, I get it, because you gotta be with your little one, but she's amazing, and I don't want to lose her. So, I'm not gonna read the note, but the prices. So, the whole box is $213. The buy 5 discount of 25% would take off $53.25. I had the credit of $49 from the Style Pass, and then also that I signed up for that after they'd already charged me my $20 styling fee for this box. So I also have the Style fee of $20 coming off. So if I were to keep everything, it would be $90.75, which is amazing. Absolutely amazing. But I'm not keeping everything just because I'm not going to keep stuff I don't love. But I think I did like a trial checkout just to see if the other sizes of the stuff I wanted was available. So I think if I keep what I want with the credits that I've got, it ends up being like $60 or something, like after tax and stuff, like $64, $65 or something, which I think is great for a romper and 2 tops. So that's my Stitch Fix for the month of February. I will probably be getting these every like 3 weeks now since I've got that style credit. Especially because I think I'm going to cancel like my beauty boxes that I get just because I've got so many sample sizes and I'm not in love with them, and I don't, you know, show them on here anyway because I think if you see one, you see them all. Like BoxyCharm sends the same stuff to everybody, Sephora sends the same stuff to everybody, Ipsy doesn't, but I'm not in love with Ipsy anymore, and I've got so much stuff that I just don't use anymore. But like I said, if you're new to Stitch Fix, you can sign up using my link or sign up using anybody's link. It's a lot of fun, and I heard that Stitch Fix is trying to introduce more affordable pieces because they've gotten complaints about the prices, but I've never gotten anything that's not of quality, you know, from Stitch Fix. Also, their customer service is great. If you were to get something that wasn't of quality, you contact them, they will either refund you or exchange you or, you know, something. They really stand behind their products, which I think is awesome. But that's it for this video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you have not already. You know, I can't wait to see you in my next video. I do have my bride box coming this week sometime, and it's my favorite. I love it. It's just so exciting to get. But that's it for this video. I will see you in my next one. Definitely leave me a comment below with what you like, what you didn't like, because I'm still, you know, gonna make some decisions on this one before I send it back. But that's it. I'm gonna stop rambling. I will see you next time. I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend and a great week ahead. And yeah, see you next time. Bye.